Hello,
Hello, everybody.
here is Daniel and Agati, and we are going to speak a little bit about our new workshop, The Art of Watchfulness. What is so unique about this workshop? This workshop is the foundation of any spiritual work. And not just the foundation, but as you progress in your spiritual work, you will see even at the end of the work, this basic spiritual exercises and learning, it helps you. And
The benefits. So, what would you benefit of attending these workshops? This workshop, so the thoughts, one of the things that we're going to see in this workshop are the thoughts, so we'll get to know and understand how the thoughts are coming, how these are progressing, how they evolve. Also about passion, something that people don't speak about today, which means habits, things that we tend to do without realizing. So we're going to address that. We're going to take some time to realize what's going on, what we are doing in our daily lives.
who benefits from this amazing workshop? Anybody. We were teaching people who are in business, of course, people who are in spiritual work and children, and people who are really interested to increase their level of consciousness. So anybody will have a benefit doing this workshop. And now a very interesting question. It's about elders and the tradition. Because we mentioned so much in this workshop about elders, who are the elders? That's a very good question. The elders are people like you, like me, like Agati, people who manage to work their passions. And after they managed to work their passion, they were able basically to arrive at an incredible level of consciousness. And now they are advisor of humanity. And a very sensitive question is, do we need a religious background to attend the workshop? No. Working your thoughts, having this interior vigilant look, regardless of what you do and your religious background, you must do it. How is the workshop relevant with today's problems? That's another interesting question.
I think today that this workshop is very relevant because we all catch ourselves being tormented, if you like, sometimes from our thoughts and whatever we have created, habits in our life. So I do feel that this workshop came at the right time, addressing all these issues that we are facing today and giving us ways on how to resolve them.